All right, guys, so I'm here at Xtreme Offroad Park today, man. I caught up with my buddy Brent Griffith. Brent is always bringing it on the A game. Every time I see him, he has come up with something different. And today, he's running strong with the Ride Red crew, the 300s. Man, what have you got going here, dude? This is a, what is it, 88 and a 95?
88 Honda 300.
Crazy.
So old.
Yeah, I love it, dude, man. This is like, this is nostalgia at its finest. So, but it's not stock. What have you done?
Man, this thing's got an 8-inch lift, Cobra axles. We put the big wide boggers on it.
Yeah.
CGR Customs, they scooped them for me. We're gonna see if it'll kind of stay up on the mud a little bit, you know, try to get a head start on these big bikes.
Right. No, absolutely,
so,
dude. You're telling me about the running gear. It's not something that's just any old 300. I mean,
no.
You got to find the exact diff you're looking for.
The differentials, this one is off a Honda Big Red 250 and 1985 only. So you have to find, like I busted an axle, you have to find a 1985 axle. It took me like 3 weeks to find it.
Right.
So you can't just buy this stuff off the shelf. You
No
gotta
doubt.
like do your research, put it on. But it's fun, man. It's like
dude.
Honda 300, everybody should have one.
Yeah, and you're immersed in the scene, man. You have the connections to bring together these cool builds like that. So tell me about the 95 over here, dude.
Yeah, 95, man. We just built it. It's the first ride out. We did all the new powder coat, but we built it for the mud. If you come around here, look at the back. This rear diff is actually off a Honda 350D Foreman. They only made them for 3 years. So this diff is really hard to find.
Right.
So axle paddles, everything, all the bolts are powder coated, but I mean, like I said, we built this thing for the mud. So
Yeah, dude.
We're gonna send it.
Dude, detail work is over the top, man. You never cease to amaze, dude. Every time I see you run out, you got something that's over the top. So
Appreciate it, man.
Ride Red is going to be going strong today. I'm excited.
Yes, sir. Honda 300 swap shop.
Definitely. Cool, brother. I appreciate you coming out, and look forward to seeing how y'all do today.
Appreciate it, brother.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
always hit the top. Popcorn, bitch, shell, poppin' at the car. I'm in 34, put a non-style drop bar. Bitch, jail in the pocket line. Yeah, that's cool.
You love XXX YouTube videos, but you just hate the ads. You guys want to see the latest XXX YouTube content before all your buddies. If you want the best deals on the products and apparel that you guys love, then you need to be a XXX VIP. Just $19.95 a month, you get everything above. Plus, you get a distinguished XXX VIP pack. Just visit XXXmotorsports.com, get everything that you need right there.